In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view total Steam hours played. If you want to quickly check how much time you've spent in a game on Steam, the process is very simple, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. This is useful if you're tracking your progress, comparing playtime across games, or just satisfying your curiosity about how many hours you've logged. To begin, open Steam and sign into your account. Make sure the Steam app is fully loaded before moving on, since your game library and playtime details won't appear correctly until you're logged in. If Steam opens to a different section by default, that's completely fine. Once you're signed in, click on Library. This is the section where all of the games connected to your account are listed. You'll usually find it near the top of the Steam window. The library view is where Steam organizes your installed and owned games, and it's also where you can see individual game details, including playtime. After that, select a game from your library. You can click any title you want to check. As soon as you open the games page, Steam will display the information related to that specific game. If you have a large library, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the game faster. On the games page, look for the playtime section, which shows the number of hours played. In most cases, this appears somewhere under the play button. This is the area Steam uses to summarize how long you've spent in that game, and it's the easiest way to check your hours at a glance. Keep in mind that this shows the playtime for the individual game you selected, so if you want to review hours for other games, you'll need to return to your library and click on each title one at a time. Steam makes this easy so you can move through your games fairly quickly. Also, depending on updates to the Steam interface, the exact placement of the playtime label may look slightly different, but it's generally still on the main game page and close to the play button area. And that's all there is to it. Open Steam, go to Library, choose a game, and check the playtime shown on the game page. It's a quick and straightforward way to see your Steam logs whenever you need them.